Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. Let's start with a simple question, and maybe a personal one. Is this the year you finally fix your smile? You've probably thought about it before, maybe even done a few consultations. Or maybe you've just spent years avoiding the mirror, living with discomfort and telling yourself, I'll deal with this later. If you've been putting off restoring your smile, whether it's missing teeth, uncomfortable dentures, or a full mouth rebuild, you're not alone. But also, there's no better time than right now. Let's talk about why. Most people don't go from a full smile to a full arch case overnight. It starts small. A tooth you couldn't afford to fix, a cracked crown you learned to live with, a denture that never really fit, and slowly it adds up. More teeth go missing. Your bite changes, bone starts to shrink, and your confidence fades. Might stop smiling altogether. Meanwhile, the solution feels further away, more complicated, more expensive. But here's the truth, it's never too late, but it's never easier than right now. We don't just see dental transformations here, we see life transformations. When you finally restore your smile, you're gonna eat better. You're gonna smile without hesitation. You're gonna show up more fully in social settings. You're gonna stop worrying about pain, slippage, or covering your mouth. You're gonna regain a version of yourself you thought was gone for good. We see people come alive again, not just because their teeth work, but because they feel like themselves again. If you're like most patients we meet, there are a few things standing in the way. Cost. We get it. Implants are an investment, but we offer free consultations, transparent pricing, and financing options that make treatment more doable than most people think. Time. You're busy, but with modern digital tools and same-day surgical options, we've made the process simpler, faster, and more predictable than ever. Fear or embarrassment. Maybe it's been years since you saw a dentist. Maybe you're worried that your case is too far gone. Let me tell you right now, we've seen it all, and we're not here to judge. We're here to help. You've thought about this long enough. Every year that goes by, you're losing more bone, you're spending more on patchwork fixes, you're adjusting your life around food limitations, discomfort, or embarrassment, and you're missing moments that you could be fully present for. Imagine sitting down at a family gathering, ordering anything you want in a restaurant, smiling in photos without thinking about it because you finally took care of the thing that's been bothering you for years. This year, that could be your reality. Here's the good news. You don't need to have all the money saved up or a plan in place before you call. All you need is a willingness to take the first step. At Smile Now, we'll walk you through everything. 3D scans, a custom treatment plan, what's possible for your health, timeline, and budget, all without pressure or judgment. If you're ready to stop avoiding the mirror and start smiling again, click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at one of the Smile Now dental offices. Let's make this year the year you stop waiting and the year that you start lifting, with a smile that works, lasts, and finally feels like you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real conversations about changing your smile, and make sure to ask questions down below. We'll see you next time.